Hello there! Welcome back to Login Helps. WhatsApp is one of the popular ways to communicate globally. To chat with more people, it is required to add new contacts on WhatsApp. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add contacts on your WhatsApp Messenger. To learn doing so, watch the video till the end. If you aren't subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button, and for more updates, press the bell icon. Now, to add contacts on your WhatsApp Messenger, go to your WhatsApp. Now tap on the speech bubble icon on the bottom right corner. Click on New Contact icon. This will take you to the new contact creation page. Type in your contact detail, type in the name, and now enter the phone number. After that, tap on Save. After doing so, your contact information will be saved to your Android's contact app. Also, if the person you added uses WhatsApp, their contact will be added on WhatsApp as well. And that is how you can add contacts on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial helped you on how you can add your contacts on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. I'll be back again soon. See you next time.